The Vatican has sounded an alarm over the use of artificial intelligence in modern warfare. Pope Leo XIV has called on governments across the world to disarm AI and warned that some autonomous weapon systems have already moved practically beyond human control. In his first major policy document as the Pope, Leo did not speak about AI as a distant future threat. He spoke about it as a present-day global crisis. The first American Pope warned that AI systems are already spreading misinformation, deepening conflicts, threatening jobs, and creating dangerous new forms of warfare. And his most serious warning was directed at the growing use of AI in military operations. Pope Leo said that it is not permissible to hand over life and death decisions to machines.
Artificial intelligence already touches many areas of our lives and affects decisions that shape human coexistence. It is also dramatically changing how war is waged. Artificial intelligence needs to be disarmed. The word is strong, I know, but deliberately chosen because this moment needs words capable of attracting attention, awakening consciences, and indicating paths forward for humanity.
But why is the Pope sounding this alarm now? Well, because the world is already seeing what AI-driven war looks like. Remember, during the Israel-Hamas war, reports revealed that the Israeli Defense Forces used an AI target generation system known as the Gospel. The platform helped identify and generate targets at a speed never seen before. Israeli officials themselves described the process as a factory for producing targets. But sometimes factories do produce something defective as well. Companies brush it off by apologizing, labeling it as a manufacturing defect. But in cases of AI-driven warfare, it's called collateral damage. And the cost here is human lives. And that is exactly the fear that the Pope now appears to be addressing. That AI could push humanity into a future where machines help decide who lives and who dies faster than humans can ethically respond to. But the Pope's warning does not stop at warfare. He also took aim at the growing power of big AI companies and the intense global race to dominate technology. Pope Leo said that AI data and power should not remain in the hands of, a critical few, a small group. The Pope even drew a historical parallel with the Industrial Revolution. And the timing of his warning is significant. Over the past few months, the Trump administration is in a tussle with the AI company Anthropic over safety guardrails on its Claude AI model. In fact, the dispute began after the American government pushed for fewer restrictions and greater access to advanced AI systems. But Anthropic refused to allow its technology to be used for mass domestic surveillance of fully autonomous weapons. That standoff has now become part of a much bigger global debate. Who controls AI? Do governments? Do private tech companies control AI or militaries? And how much power should humanity ever give to machines? That's the big question.